Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how you can downgrade iOS 18 to 17. Just a quick note, as of the moment, there's no technology or option on your iPhone to do this downgrade. You really need a computer for this one. I recommend TenorShare app for this process, so go to tenorshare.com to download. Just click on free download over here if you are using Windows, or you can install Reboot to do this process. Just search for Reboot on your Google Chrome and click this one under TenorShare. Install it. In this case, we will be using Reboot. Open your Reboot on your desktop and make sure to plug in your phone on the desktop with Reboot. Then over here, you will see this iOS upgrade/downgrade. You will have an option here to either upgrade to iOS 18 or downgrade to iOS 17. Click Downgrade to iOS 17, then click this button to start the downgrade process. Then on this page, just click Download over here. Make sure to back up your data first before downgrading. After that, click on Initiating Downgrade over here. After this loading screen, your phone will automatically restart. Then you're all good. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.